Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super delicious and refreshing pineapple drink. First, let's go get some fruit. Now, we are back in the kitchen, and I always like to make sure that everything I need is ready. Let's take a look. Sugar. We won't be needing much. Pineapple, the star of the video. Water, knife, spoon. We'll be needing a sieve and a bowl. And a blender as well. Now, let's prepare our pineapple for the juice. Pineapples, despite their sweetness, are low in calories. Surprised? This popular fruit is packed with nutrients, oxidants, and other helpful compounds, such as enzymes that can fight inflammation and disease. Here are the health benefits of pineapples. Pineapples contain high amounts of vitamin C, a water-soluble oxidant that fights cell damage. This makes vitamin C a helpful fighter against problems such as heart disease and joint pain. Vitamin C is also essential for growth and development, a healthy immune system, and aiding the absorption of iron from the diet. Pineapples contain manganese, which is important for our body's antioxidant defense, a mineral that's important for developing strong bones and connective tissue. Manganese, along with other trace minerals, may be helpful in preventing osteoporosis in post-menopausal women. 3. These tropical fruits are also a good way to get important dietary fiber, which may help with digestion. Please note, the peels and the core of pineapples, I never throw them away because I will be using them in another drink. And bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down protein, which is essential in keeping you regular and in keeping your intestines healthy. Multiple studies have suggested that bromelain could also be helpful in treating osteoarthritis. Pineapples also contain high amounts of thiamine, a B vitamin that is involved in energy production. Pineapples can help reduce the risk of macular degeneration, a disease that affects the eyes as people age, due in part to its high amount of vitamin C and the antioxidants it contains. Pineapples are also fat-free, cholesterol-free, and low in sodium. For all its sweetness, 1 cup of pineapple chunks contains only 74 calories. Pineapples also contain trace amounts of vitamins A and K, phosphorus, zinc, and calcium. Those with allergies may want to consider incorporating pineapple into their diets more regularly in order to reduce sinus mucus long term. Pineapples are sweet, convenient, and easy to incorporate into your diet. They are very affordable and available year-round, as they can be purchased fresh, canned, or frozen. You can also enjoy them on their own in smoothies, salads, or juices. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment below. Bye.